Hi friends, welcome to our channel. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல மல்டிமீடியாவில் MCQs பார்க்க போறோம். ஆல்ரெடி பார்ட் 1 வீடியோ போட்டிருக்கேன் 1 to 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வரைக்கும். இன்னைக்கு வந்து 26ல இருந்து பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். Question number 26. The roof mounted projector are fixed on the option A floor, option B roof, option C corner, option D none of these. Answer option B roof. Question number 27. The roof-mounted projector can connect 2 or more computers or laptops in dash. Option A serial, option B parallel, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option B parallel. Question number 28. The roof-mounted projector are also enabled to take option A computer data, option B printing data, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option A computer data. Question number 29. The roof mounted projector takes computer data via a cable through option A serial port, option B parallel port, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option C both A and B. Question number 30. The roof mounted projector are Bluetooth. Option A enabled, option B disabled, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option A enabled. Question number 31. The flat panel displays are dash in appearance. Option A flat, option B curved, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option A flat. Question number 32. A touchscreen display is an option A input device, option B output device, option C both A and B, option D neither input nor output. Answer option C both A and B. Question number 33. The touchscreen display shows the result of option A computation, option B accept command and data from user for further computation, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option C both A and B. Question number 34. The flat panel display is called an option A LCD monitor, option B LED monitor, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option A LCD monitor. Question number 35. A graphics tablet works on same principle as option A light pen, option B monitor, option C projector, option D none of these. Answer option A light pen. Question number 36. The voice recognition system takes the command from the user in the form of option A writing, option B voice, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option B voice. Question number 37. The voice recognition system, the voice is converted into option A machine code, option B byte code, option C electrical signal, option D none of these. Answer option C electrical signal. Question number 38. A joystick is a option A graphics input device, option B graphics output device, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option A graphics input device. Question number 39. A joystick is consisting of a option A pen, option B stick, option C microphone, option D none of these. Answer option B stick. Question number 40. Joystick are often used to control option A typing, option B video games, option C voice, option D none of these. Answer option B video games. Question number 41. The joystick often has dash fire buttons to trigger some kind of action. Option A 1, option B more, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option C both A and B. Question number 42. In which year mostly modern joystick use a USB interface for connecting to the personal computer? Option A 2005, option B 2007, option C 2006, option D 2008. Answer option B 2007. Question number 43. The light pen is an option A graphics input device, option B graphics output device. Answers option B both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option A graphics input device. Question number 44. The functioning of a light pen is similar to mouse except that option A user can move the pointer, option B user can select objects on the display screen by pointing to object with the pen. Option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option C both A and B. Question number 45. A wireless mouse works on option A infra blue radiation, option B infrared radiation, option C infra green radiation, option D none of these. Answer option B infrared radiation. Question number 46. A wireless mouse consists of dash parts. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D none of this. Answer option B 2 parts. Question number 47. The parts of wireless mouse is option A cable and a mouse, option B USB and a mouse, option C CPU and a mouse, option D none of these. Answer option B USB and a mouse. Question number 48. The mouse motion typically translates into option A motion of a pointer on a display, option B motion of a pointer on a CPU, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer option A motion of a pointer on a display. Question number 49. How many types of keyboard? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Answer option D 4. Question number 50. Types of keyboard are option A standard, option B gaming and multimedia, option C thumb sized, option D all of these. Answer option D, all of these.